Long travel, literally long travel. Okay, XL Megatower. Lower bottom bracket by 10mm, longer wheelbase by another 10mm. It's one difficult rig to ride, but if descend, flatten everything else. I so love it. Megatower version 1 XL CC. Beautiful. It's at 16.5 kilo. I keep it heavy for the gnarliest thrill. Yeah, okay, that baby over there. I got a 223 2.3mm thickness rotor by TRP, and the rear 200mm, and yeah, 4 cylinder TRP DHR Evo. Wow, beautiful. And of course, the most beautiful, most awesome shock there is, Fox 38 title handlebar, 35mm rise. Oh, so beautiful. Transfer post DX2. Wow, I so love it. 165. Is it 165? Yeah, 165. 165 for that, 180 for this. Wow. And carbon rims, because I like the stiffness. Super 2mm spoke, Cruz King hub, front and rear Cruz King hub, 2.2mm spoke. Amazing. I use a center lock, not 6 bolt, because of easy removal for those epic overseas rides. Alright, then I got what else? Dairy pedals, super amazing. It bomb everything. Wow. Cruz King headset. What else? Yeah. And of course, the jewel of all jewel. Okay, look at that, so beautiful. The tire recommended by Evo E-Revolution Singapore is a maxi set, DHR DHF. Been amazing. I just so love it. Oh, look at that, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Alright, my go-to bike for all occasion. Wow. Bukit Timah, you name it. Millipit, Centipede, BB pit, Kutapit, Kunta Kinte. Wow, everything. Oh. And that, legends, is my short bike check over in the beautiful all happiness place in Singapore. Ooh, I love the new trail. I love the new section. It's just pretty amazing. Oh, okay. Don't forget to comment. Leave your comment in the comment section. And you can also see my bike check in the description below. Alright, see you in the trail.